Your adult daughter just walked into your house. Again. No knock, no call. Just walked right in like she still lives there. Or your son borrowed your car and returned it with no fuel. Or your daughter shared your private business with her friends without asking. Sound familiar? You love them, but you're thinking, where's the respect? I'm still the parent here. If you're tired of feeling invisible in your own relationships, stay with me. Because today, I'm giving you the exact formula to get respect back without creating drama. Here's what's really happening. Your adult kids think the rules changed when they turned 18. They see you as their equal now, or worse, they're treating you like you work for them. And you're caught in a trap. Stay silent and the disrespect gets worse. Speak up and you worry they'll think you're being mean or controlling. So you bite your tongue, you let it slide. But inside, you're building resentment. And that resentment is poisoning your relationship. But here's what nobody tells you. Boundaries don't push people away when done right. They actually create more respect and deeper connection. I'm about to teach you something I call the love plus limit formula. It's going to change everything. First, you express love, then you state your limit. Simple, but powerful. Let me show you exactly how this works. Before you can set a boundary with anyone else, you need to know exactly what bothers you. And I mean exactly. Don't just think, they don't respect me. Get specific. Is it unannounced visits? Taking your things without asking? Making decisions for you? Sharing your private information? Write it down because vague feelings create weak boundaries. Clear limits create strong ones. And here's the key. You have every right to these boundaries. You're not being selfish, you're being human. Never, and I mean never, set a boundary when you're angry. Your emotions will hijack your message and they'll only hear your frustration, not your request. Instead, wait, cool down, then approach them when you're both calm. So instead of snapping, "Why do you always barge in here?" when they show up unannounced, you wait. Later you say, "I love seeing you, but I need you to call before coming over. It helps me be ready for your visit." See the difference? The same boundary, but one creates a connection, while the other creates a conflict. This is where the magic happens. Every boundary conversation starts with love, then states the limit. I love that you feel comfortable here. Plus, but I need you to knock first. I appreciate that you trust me with your problems. Plus, but I can't discuss this with others unless you say it's okay. Here's why this works. When people hear the word love first time, their defenses go down. They're more likely to listen to your actual request instead of just feeling criticized. And notice, you're not apologizing for having needs. You're not over-explaining. You're simply stating what you need with kindness. This is where most parents fail. They set the boundary once, then let it slide the next time. If you give in every time, you're teaching them that your boundaries don't matter. And people treat you exactly how you teach them to treat you. Will they test your boundaries? Absolutely. Will they try guilt trips? Probably. Will they act hurt at first? Maybe. But here's what happens when you stay consistent. They learn to respect your limits. And respect is the foundation of every healthy relationship. Let me show you exactly how these conversations sound in real life. Scenario 1, the unannounced visit. They show up. "Hey, Mom. Hope you don't mind. I was in the neighborhood." Old you. "You can't just show up here whenever you want. This is my house." New you. "I always love seeing you. Next time, just give me a heads up so I can give you my full attention. Deal?" Scenario 2, borrowing without permission. They say, "Oh, I borrowed your car again. Thanks." You say, "I'm happy to share when I can. Going forward, I need you to ask first so I can plan around it." Fair enough? Scenario 3, oversharing your private information. You find out they told others your personal business. You say, "I know you didn't mean any harm, but what we discuss stays between us unless I say otherwise. I need to feel safe sharing things with you. Notice something? Every response starts with understanding or love, then clearly states the boundary. No attack, no drama, just clear communication. Now let's be real, your kids might not love this new you at first. They might say, "You're being so sensitive," or "Why are you making such a big deal about this?" Your response, "I'm not trying to create problems. I just need us to treat each other with respect. That's important to me." Don't defend your boundaries. Don't over-explain them. Just restate them calmly and hold firm. Remember, their discomfort with your boundaries is not your problem to solve. Your job is to maintain them consistently and lovingly. Here's what happens when you do this consistently. Your relationships actually get better, not worse. Your stress goes down because you're not constantly annoyed. Your kids learn to be more thoughtful. And the respect you've been missing? It starts coming back. Because here's the truth. Most of your kids want to have a good relationship with you. They just need clear guidelines on how to do that. Listen to me. You are not asking for too much when you ask for basic respect. You are not being difficult when you have boundaries. You are not being mean when you enforce them. You taught your children how to walk, how to talk, how to tie their shoes. Now it's time to teach them how to treat you with respect. The love plus limit formula. Start with love, state your limit, and stay consistent. Your relationship doesn't have to stay frustrating. Change starts with your next conversation. If this helped you, subscribe for more straight talk about the challenges nobody warns you about in family relationships. And drop a comment. What boundary do you need to set this week? You deserve respect. Now go get it.